to everyone. This is my first video in this channel. So this is a channel only for the medical students or any person who are in the medical field. I hope you will get any little bit help from this channel. I have great opportunity to help you by these videos. So keep in touch with us by subscribing freely in this channel. So we go through a first topic in this video. So, what is medical laboratory technology? It is a profession in which medical tests are performed for the diagnosis and treatment of the patient. And you are very glad to know that 80% of medical diagnoses are made or confirmed only by the value of laboratory value. So, it plays a very important role in the medical field. But even the healthcare profession do not know what the term medical technology means. But I have previously told you that the 80% of medical diagnoses are confirmed by the laboratory value. So you think that how much it is important. So that's why it plays an important role in patient care by providing timely, accurate, reliable tests to the health team member. Now we enter into another topic, that is which type of tests are performed. So which type of tests are performed? Such as examining and analyzing the body fluid and cells, determine the chemical content of fluid, sugar or protein level, look for parasite, bacteria and other microorganisms, look for abnormal cell in the blood and body fluid, such as cancer cells, match blood for transfusion in case of transfusion purpose, test for drugs level in the blood, such as in APLA, warfarin cases. Now we enter into a history of MLT, history of medical laboratory technology. It is very interesting. In the early 19th century, French soldiers were attacked by the yellow fever. Large number of French soldiers died as a result of infection by an organism, and transmission disease were not understood. But the researchers at that time find that the transmission occurred chiefly by the bite of insect vector, mosquito, and finally they will develop some vaccine in early 20th century. In the beginning of human testing, we only done diagnosis of diseases and to assess the effectiveness of treatment recovery. The physician perform his own test in his office or in the patient. There is no any laboratory in a hospital. And in ancient Egypt, diabetes mellitus is diagnosed by only patient if having glucose level high in urine, they attack the aunt. So they made this aunt attracted by the sugar and patient having diabetes mellitus. Interesting, that is also they are using their knowledge. In 1930, great deal of attention began to focus on the clinical laboratory, not only for infectious but also for the metabolic test for diagnosing disease. Now it's time to enlightening a medical field by a profession which is known as a medical laboratory technology. So a laboratory has grown into a mandatory part of diagnosis, disease and monitoring its progresses. So now the time the physician may depend on timely and accurate medical laboratory result as important and major tool for diagnosis and treatment of a patient. Branches of MLT we can learn with MHBH. So one by we discuss all things. Like one is microbiology, histopathology, biochemistry, and hematology. So what is microbiology? Is the study of microscopic organisms such as bacteria, virus, fungi, and parasite. And based on microorganisms, they are further divided into categories such as study of bacteria known as bacteriology, study of virus known as virology, study of fungus known as mycology, and study of parasite known as parasitology. Now another term is histopathology. It refers to the microscopic examination of tissue in order to study the disease or abnormality. One other term is cytopathology. Study of abnormality in individual cell is called as cytopathology. Anatomy and physiology. So study of body parts and their function respectively known as anatomy and physiology. Biochemistry is the study of chemical substance and vital processes occurring in the living organism is known as biochemistry. Hematology is the study of blood forming organ and blood disease. One another term is coagulopathology. Study of bleeding disorders known as coagulopathy. So types of laboratory level. There are 4 types of laboratory biosafety levels: level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. Level 1 is least level, where there is no chance of an infection or threatening, but in case of level 2, moderately affect the worker but curable in short term. Level 3 may cause lethal disease by aerosol transmission. It is long term treatment, and the example you can see in TB, 6 months, even 9 months we have given tablets to the patient. Level 4 is extremely danger, high risk of life-threatening disease, treatment not available till now, such as Ebola virus. Now we have some another names of profession. In India, we know some name, but in foreign there is some different names of profession. In India, it's called as MLT or CLT, Medical Laboratory Technology or Clinical Laboratory Technology. But in foreign, name as MLS or CLS, Medical or Clinical Laboratory Scientist. Mostly the people does not know what is the difference between technician and technologist. So, person who have diploma or having a certificate is undercome technician, but the person having a bachelor degree at least and a technician work under technologist. Technologist position is above than technician. So keep remind this is important. Now professional role and ethics. Guys, it play very important role where we have to save any life. So it is very important. Follow safety precaution. Test report should be given to authorized patient. Practice proper professional skills to avoid mistake. Don't disclose the patient information, such as an HIV patient or in case of any confidential report. We should not disclose the personal information to anyone. Keep in touch with latest development in field. Dedicate toward professional to benefit mankind. So guys, this is my first video. I hope you will enjoy this. I will give my best day by day. This is first video, so some mistakes are also included in this, but I will make my best in coming days. Keep in touch with by subscribing the channel freely, share and like the video. If you have any suggestion, so give in comment.